Very good. Okay, here is another example of when English pronunciation can become very confusing. Did you know that there are words in English that are spelled with an O but are pronounced as ah? So even though these words that I'm about to show you are all spelled with an O, we pronounce all of these vowels with an ah. Here we go. Hot. You see, it's not hot, it's ah. Hot. Top. Stop. Probably. Follow. Not. Blob. Sock. Mop. Product. Solve. Problem. Okay, let's practice these sentences. Note that I put a line under all the words which have an ah sound. Bob opened the box and followed the instructions. Tom put some cotton, rocks, and a doorknob in his locker. My mom made a concrete model of a hockey rink.